In the Emirates ATP Rankings, Andy Murray still leads the way. Novak Djokovic is in second. Recent semi-finalist in Melbourne, Stan Wawrinka, is third. Fourth is Canada's Milos Raonic. In fifth, it's Kei Nishikori of Japan. Rafael Nadal is now sixth. Behind him, it's Croatia's Marin Cilic, with Austria's Dominic Thiem in eighth place. In the Emirates ATP doubles rankings, it's red-hot, Henry Continent and John Peers out in front, with the Bryan brothers in second. Pablo Carreno Busta and Guillermo Garcia Lopez are tied in third, with Mark Polmans and Andrew Whittington. In fifth, it's Australia's Chris Cuccioni and Sam Groth, while French duo Pierre-Hugues Herbert and Nicolas Mahut are in sixth.